Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Express Review. Today we've got something thrilling for every motorcycle enthusiast, the return of an icon. Yes, the 2025 Harley Davidson Shovelhead is here, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. Stay tuned till the end. We've got a surprise that will blow your mind. The original Shovelhead engine from the late 60s and 70s was a symbol of rebellion, freedom, and raw American muscle. The 2025 version pays homage to that legacy, but with a modern heartbeat. Harley Davidson has masterfully blended old-school style with cutting-edge engineering. From the signature shovel-shaped rocker boxes to the thunderous exhaust note, every detail screams retro while delivering modern-day performance. First glance, you'll think it rolled straight out of a time machine. Vintage leather seat, exposed metal elements, and minimalistic paint schemes that bring out its bold personality. But don't be fooled. Beneath the classic looks lies a digital dashboard, LED lighting, and smart safety features like ABS, traction control, and Harley's new ride customizer system, allowing riders to adjust throttle response and suspension settings on the go under the tank. Harley has reimagined the legendary V-twin engine for 2025. With 1,750 cubic centimeters of pure torque, this beast roars on highways and glides through city traffic with ease. It's smoother, faster, and more efficient than its ancestors. And yes, it still shakes, it still rumbles, and it still makes your heart race, just like the good old days. The 2025 Shovelhead isn't just for the weekend cruiser. With a revised suspension setup, improved cornering stability, and an upgraded saddle for long-distance comfort, it's ready for every kind of road. Plus, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation support, and a subtle heads-up display mean you're always in control without compromising style. Harley has hinted that this model will be a limited release and priced around the premium cruiser segment. If you're a collector, this could be a gem for your garage. If you're a rider, it could be your next dream machine. Pre-orders open soon, and trust us, you don't want to miss your chance. And now the surprise we promised. Auto Express Review is giving one lucky subscriber a chance to win exclusive Harley Davidson merchandise, including a limited edition Shovelhead leather jacket and riding gloves. All you have to do is subscribe, comment below your favorite Harley model, and share this video. Winner will be announced in our upcoming video. The 2025 Harley Davidson Shovelhead is more than just a motorcycle. It's a legacy reborn. Whether you're a die-hard Harley fan or a new rider looking for soul and performance, this bike delivers on every front. Thanks for watching Auto Express Review. Until next time, keep riding, stay safe, and never stop chasing the road.